Hey everyone, if you're dealing with eczema, you know how frustrating it can be. Those itchy red patches can be a major pain. But don't worry, today I've got some amazing remedies that can help you manage your eczema and feel better. Let's dive right in. First up, moisturizing is key. Keeping your skin hydrated can make a huge difference. I recommend using a thick, fragrance-free moisturizer right after you shower. This helps lock in moisture and prevent your skin from drying out. Look for ingredients like ceramides or hyaluronic acid for the best results. Next, let's talk about coconut oil. This natural remedy is great for soothing eczema-prone skin. It's packed with anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce redness and irritation. Just apply a thin layer to the affected areas a couple of times a day. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Another fantastic remedy is colloidal oatmeal. It's not just for breakfast. Colloidal oatmeal can relieve itching and calm inflamed skin. You can find it in creams or make a DIY oatmeal bath. Just grind some oats into a fine powder and add them to your bath water. Soak for about 15-20 minutes and feel the relief. Now, let's not forget about diet. What you eat can impact your skin health. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids like salmon and flax seeds can help reduce inflammation. Also, try to avoid foods that are known to trigger eczema flare-ups, such as dairy, soy, and gluten. Keep a food diary to track what might be causing your symptoms. And of course, stress management is crucial. Stress can make eczema worse, so finding ways to relax is super important. Whether it's yoga, meditation, or just taking a walk in nature, find what works for you and make it a part of your routine. Finally, don't underestimate the power of a good night's sleep. Lack of sleep can weaken your immune system and make eczema symptoms flare up. Create a calming bedtime routine and aim for 7-9 hours of quality sleep each night. All right, folks, there you have it. Some of the best remedies to help you tackle eczema head on. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it might take some trial and error to find what works best for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. Stay healthy.